The entire world depends on the environment. No matter what level we are in, we live because of the environment. The way our ancestors lived with the environment and the way we live now are different. But now every job we do has a connection to the environment. Nature created us. Nature itself fulfills our basic needs to survive. And nature itself removes us from this world. Everything that comes from nature dies. That is the beauty of nature. Humans live because of the environment. Let's protect it.